In this video, we're going to look at choking for a child. Adult and child choking treatment is exactly the same. Now, in the previous video, we talked about a mild blockage and a severe blockage. So this person with a partial or mild airway obstruction, all we need to do is keep telling them to cough and try and calm them as much as possible. We also need to stay calm. And hopefully the coughing will be able to clear the obstruction and they'll be able to do this themselves fairly well. The important thing to remember is all the time they're making a noise, they are breathing. There's nothing more blocking their throat. Now, a complete airway obstruction might be when someone eats maybe a lump of steak and they swallow it and it's got, rather than swallowing to their belly, it's got stuck in their airway. Now, this is a complete airway obstruction. So we go over to them and ask them if they're choking. They won't be able to talk, but they'll be able to nod their head. If they are choking, we need to call the emergency medical services straight away, and then we're going to perform up to 5 back slaps. Using the heel of one of your hands. Now you might need to get the child to stand up, or you can do it in a position where they are. It all depends on your ability to be able to support them and also slap them between their shoulder blades. So up to 5 back slaps, checking their mouth or listening to see if the blockage has come out. After that, we're then going to perform up to 5 abdominal thrusts. Repeat up to 5 back slaps, up to 5 abdominal thrusts, and we're going to keep on going until either it comes out or unfortunately drop to the floor unconscious and they stop breathing. That's when we go straight to CPR and we start off with compressions. Anybody that has been choking should always go and seek medical help.